How's it going? So I was getting ready to prep for removing and replacing the head. This is a 2000 Jeep, so it doesn't have the Tupy, Tupy recasted head. The 331 is notorious for cracking, so I was gonna change the head to the Tupy recast 331. That's supposed to be improved and supposed to not crack. Um, like the 331 casting, which is a bad casting. But anyways, when I was going through this, taking out the power steering pump, I noticed some of that right down there. I bought this vehicle used, and I was thinking to myself, what is that? And I started thinking about it, and I remember Bars. I believe it's Bars makes a type of radiator sealer, and you can see it all over here. Going down, not thinking to myself, oh, well, somebody tried to cover something up. So right now we're draining the coolant out. So I will be replacing the radiator as well. And probably we will replace it with something that's aftermarket, aluminum, that you don't get that kind of issues with. I would love to replace it with a Flexolite, yeah, radiator. But we'll see. Nice made in the USA one. But yeah, so we're prepping for removal of the head. We'll be changing majority of the components that attach to the head too, like the water pump, the exhaust manifold, probably clean up the intake manifold. We're going to change the valve cover gasket, clean all that up. Injectors, I got some 4-hole injectors. I didn't want to go with the 16-hole. I thought maybe a little bit too much. 4 holes kind of a known mod, and it's pretty good, so I'll go with the 4-hole. Get some better fuel economy. Hopefully get a throttle body spacer, clean that one out, kind of smooth out some of the rough edges on it. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So once this radiator is completely drained, I'll start taking hoses off and drain all that out. Then I will pull the radiator off, and that will help get better access to what's going on with the engine here, especially since I'm going to be doing the water pump, and the neck here, that's going to get changed, as well as the thermostat. Also got one of these tubes right here, a new one of these, I forget what it's called, but this tube right here as well. So yeah, that's on the agenda. All right, take it easy.